excited today. It's me, myself, and Ike Nnaebue, and you are watching your wonderful show Around Time, brought to you by ConnectNigeria.com. I'm pretty excited today because it's Friday, and I'm spending it here at the Silverbird Cinemas. It's the movie premiere of this wonderful movie. I heard it's hilarious, it's enlightening, educative. It's a full bumper pack, and right here you can see behind me the characters. You have Uche Jumbo right here. I haven't been opportune anyway to see her around, but I'm sure maybe later on she will probably stroll in. Okay, let's not waste much time. Let's go in and see what's happening. Right behind me, you can see the great crowd. Those who are buying popcorn, those who are also buying drinks to actually come watch the movie, and so many others. Okay, so let's do a quick walk to the red carpet and quickly do interviews. Okay, so stick around and keep making sure that you go nowhere. Okay, because we'll be bringing in excerpts of the show later on and also reactions on the wonderful show Around Time, brought to you by ConnectNigeria.com. Hi guys, how you doing? I'm sure you're pretty much excited, and yes, we're still here. And so I'm here with Don Pedro. I don't want to mention his other name because I don't want to go tongue twisted. How you doing, sir?
Great, Don Pedro Agambi.
Agambi. And I asked him where he's from, and he said he's Nigerian.
Yeah, I am a Nigerian.
Okay, a quick one. You have the expertise as a Nigerian, and also you also have been, handling and working with other acts in the media, in the film industry. Okay, so what makes this movie different from the other movies you've been watching or seeing?
Yeah, I think it's different because of the plot and the fact that they try to capture the Nigerian political space and to enlighten Nigerians that the reason the economy, the reason we are the way we are as a nation is because we have always elected bad leadership. And elected bad leadership means that a lot of us prefers to sell our votes, for, whatever reasons. Do you understand? So I think that's what makes the movie different. The movie is different in the sense that it promotes patriotism, it promotes nationhood, and going forward, yes, it also promotes, the Nigeria electoral system and how Nigeria, especially the young people, should realize that voting for vision is better.
Well, I actually came to know what they have in their movie that makes it Dr. Mekam. All right, so I just want to know the content, the artistic prowess of the actors, the technical input, and then I want to get fulfillment. I want to get satisfied with what I'm going to see.
I'm just here to have fun and to be entertained. Maybe pay attention to the directing, the acting, detailing. Basically, to have fun.
I have to be sincere. Sometimes when you go out for movie premieres or you actually go out for events, you get clogged with so many ideas. You don't even know how to start. You might not even know who you're speaking with or to. But this man was so nice. He gave me all the expo I needed. Plus the part I really love, Nollywood teddy bear, and he actually looks very,
Yeah, baby. Yeah, you want to feel me? Oh yeah, is that soft?
He is soft. How are you doing, sir?
I'm all right, and you?
Very well, thank you. Okay, so why are you here? To support your colleagues or to, I don't know, tell me why you're here.
Of course, I'm here to support my colleagues, first of all, and then to be entertained. The trailer says a lot about the movie, and I couldn't wait to actually come here and see it. And something deep inside tells me I'm going to be very, very happy.
Okay, one thing you would tell anybody who wants to watch this movie, what they should look out for?
Well, I want you to look out for quality, look out for an educating piece, because anytime I'm acting a movie, I make sure that people, I like to get feedback from people, like, let me know what you think about the movie. Please, it's very, very important. I really want to get feedback. See this movie is a very hilarious political comedy movie. You will laugh. you will learn some lessons because it's not all about laughing, but there is something we're trying to educate you about. Now, if you're coming back from anywhere, you want to go into Nigerian politics, my dear brother and sister, please do your homework first. Know what the people want. You don't just come with empty visions. Empty visions that cannot afford to take care of the pains and the sorrows of which people are already going through. No, please. It's good you saw this movie and you will not regret it.
Okay, so we're still here. It's a lovely evening for me, and it's not just a lovely evening alone, it's my TGIF, and I love the way I'm spending it, because when I get to hear about movie premieres, I always look forward to two things: beautiful outfits and a lovely movie. And we started first of all with a lovely outfit. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, good evening.
Okay, so you are the executive producer for the movie, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please tell us more about the movie. A quick tip before we're going to watch the movie.
Well, it's about a doctor that decided to come back home to run for a seat of the governor. I mean, the humble being of being the president, but he didn't know that politics is not done the same way it's done in America. He thought it was going to be all easy and good, but he found it rough, But you know what? I think you should watch the movie.
You don't want to tell me
I
love.
You should watch the movie because I'm going to love it. You're going to love it. I assure you that.
So I've been hearing it's a good blend of comedy.
Yes.
And it's very also educative.
Yes, it's very educative, very informative. I'm actually very excited that it came out at this time because election is fast approaching.
Yeah.
So people need to watch and learn. We're not really telling them what to do because they are very smart people. But we need to think of where our country is going from now. Because look at how things are. I mean, a whole lot of people are suffering. But then again, I need them to use their brains. Think. No bribery, no corruption. Let's just be straight for once in our life and do the right thing.
Okay, now let's go. Let's tilt towards the fashion world. So tell me about what you're wearing. Who styled you, and why did you decide to go on this lovely piece?
Actually bought it myself. Nobody styled me. I bought it from New York, from Calvin Klein.
Okay.
And that's what I'm rocking it. I like it.
This film doesn't just talk about leadership, it talks about followership, really.
Okay.
Because one of Nigeria's biggest problems, I dare say, is followership. We like to point fingers up to the leaders, but we're not following right. Because the day we, the followers, decide that, this nonsense stops today, it stops. But so long as we keep saying, God help Nigeria, hey, God help Nigeria. God is not going to come down from heaven to come and help Nigeria. He's giving you and I charge. He says, take charge, control, take dominion, but we're not. We still, so it's like a mirror. So a lot of people are going to watch the film, and we've seen it in some of the previews that we've had. People watch the film like, that's so funny, but like, but it's true. This thing where they just talk now, do you understand? So it's like a mirror. So while you're laughing, we're injecting in the message. Yeah.
I would want to go on and on. As a matter of fact, he can go on, but we have to watch the movie, right?
Yes. Let's go and watch the film. Let's go and watch the film. Maybe we'll talk after the watch
Yes,
film.
definitely.
We'll switch places. I'll be the one to ask how you feel about the film.
Okay,
Right?
hopefully.
Is a deal? A deal is a deal.
Fantastic! As a matter of fact, I love Kalu's character. He was a wow movie, storyline, everything on point. I loved it.
Yeah, that's very lovely, very interesting, very, very funny.
The best movie I've ever seen.
What do you have to say about the movie?
Very interesting.
It was really interesting, like hilarious. I had a really good laugh. It was funny. It was interesting.
Oh my God.
It was lovely, nice.
You know what? I said I wanted a good laugh and I had more than enough. This movie was the bomb. Like I had a very good laugh. Till the end, I got tired of laughing.
The movie is very touching, I have to go and work on myself and people around me. It's very touching. It shows that we are the architect of our problems, and we need to solve it really very fast. Really fast. Thank you.
Man, I don't know how. I'm emotionally down right now. If I can express myself in pidgin, I'll say, who do Nigeria this kind of thing? It do a strong thing.
It's a very intelligent one, and I believe we can change our mentality in this part of the country. But instead of thinking of what we can eat today and think of posterity of our children, the future, I think the Nigeria will be a better place. Thank you.
Okay, I'm so happy now, so I can let it slide.
Yes. Okay, so what do you have to say about the crowd? How was the turn-up?
I mean, I love the energy. I love the energy. I mean, this is what every actor, every artist wants, you know. So it's awesome to see something that you create have a life of its own, and actually people can relate to it, and then to come to the public and then see the energy and see that it's like everything. I was telling my friend, like all the places I implanted things to make people laugh, they actually laughed in all the places. So I mean, my job is done, really.
Hi, I'm Gregor J4 and you are watching Cntv. Don't touch that dial. Peace out.
Okay, and so that's how we call it a day. I've had fun. I bet you have. I've enjoyed myself. I've networked. I met people. Well, what do I really like about the movie? It's educative. It's hilarious. Most especially, it's something we should actually think about. The elections are near. What do you want to do? Well, we actually say Nigeria, the nation, has a problem, and it starts with the leaders. What are you doing to help? The movie actually says it's not just about you coming from abroad or overseas and you're coming to Nigeria and you're saying, oh, you want to be a governor, you want to actually have a role to play in the country, and you actually don't know the people and the people you want to serve. Okay, so the question is, what are you doing to help your nation? What are we all doing to help the nation? Okay, I will tell you, this movie is a must watch. Okay, so if you haven't seen it, I want to tell you, keep it locked down and stay glued always to the cinemas, you know, to of course tell you when it's be showing. Okay, until next time, I'll be coming your way again on a wonderful show around town, taking you all around events happening in Lagos. I remain my same self, Ike Nnaebue, saying stay safe.